Hello, everyone. My name is Hatem Soliman Aboumarie. I am a consultant in cardiac intensive care and mechanical circulatory support at Hayfield Hospital in London. And I'm here at PCR London Valves. A pleasure to connect with you and discuss with you the latest evidence in the use of ultrasound in assessment of systemic venous congestion. We have data now from colleagues in Greece and in Brazil, prospective data, which showed that the use of systemic venous congestion score added on top of the traditional echocardiographic parameters had important prognostic ability to predict readmission and predict outcome in patients with acute heart failure. And because of the increasing use and the increasing evidence for the use of echo in congestion, we would like to invite you to our upcoming masterclass, which will be in the next Improving Heart Function course in Madrid on March the 20th and 21st, 2026, where we'll have dedicated hands-on sessions to learn together how we perform ultrasound in assessing congestion beyond the heart. Join us.